Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dr. Satish Srivastava. As a HR trainer, I spoke about my e-profile in Hindi version. Same we would like to put forth in English version. I am born and brought up in north part of India, that is Allahabad. Did my school and college from there. I was born in a teacher family. My father was SSC topper during his time, and he was working as a teacher in a primary school, government school. His certain act and activities was outstanding and was recognized by Government of India. Therefore, in 1981, our Honorable President Sarvasri Gyani Jail Singh awarded him with a medal for his outstanding contribution. I started my school from a very poor level of government primary school, which was not having any kind of the infrastructure or any kind of the quality education system. I studied over there, and further I took admission in a intermediate college called KBM Inter College, Kamla Nagar, Allahabad, where I did my SSC and HSC. Having Allahabad University, a central university, very close to my place, I got my admission for BCom, did my BCom successfully with a specialization in the commercial law, and secured highest mark in statistics and the top overall university. I got admission. I was doing LLB, but the batch was very late. Therefore, I did my lecture in LLB 1.5 years, and same time I got admission in a master 2 years full-time course, master degree in personnel management and industrial relation, which is as good or better than MBA HR. I got gold medal as I topped entire university and management faculty. In 1988, after completing my master degree, I started my professional career and got selected in a shipping company based in Bombay. That name was the Amma Lines Limited. I worked 4 years over there and traveled to different organizations like Remy Group of company, Technimont ICB Limited, BIS Bombay Intelligence Security India Limited, MSF Group Modern Security Force, out of which the overall large strength was the 60,000 people in our organization. I worked for the Haldia Petrochemicals, Kolkata, Haldia, where more than 40,000 people were there. I did my professional service for 30 years, and thereafter I found that whatever I have earned as a knowledge from the industry, I should share amongst the newcomer in HR's team so that it becomes the guidelines for them. Needless was very important. I was the selector and observer in the group discussion of MBA students for their entrance in the MBA in Nasik. I was chief guest in the Amrut Vahini Management Institute, Sinnar and Sangamner. I have addressed the big mob of MBA and management students. I have counseled them for career development point of view. Moving through all these important landmarks, I reached to the stage where I decided to take the diversion in my own career and start as a HR training consultant. My aim is to part with my knowledge and be the management teacher, educator, so that middle level and senior level can be donated with my knowledge and experience. This will certainly help to the newcomers, beginners, and my guidelines will set a good career growth in their career. I have imparted more than 500 training programs during my 30 years of the career on the different topics in different organizations. I am sure that with this experience, a different learning world will be created where the people like you and newcomers will be benefited. In this video, this much for you. In the next video, I am coming with the balance of the thought. Thank you very much. Namaskar.